Hey guys, it's Caleb back with another how-to video on this 2024 GMC Terrain AT4. It's going to be on the camera system, 360-degree camera views. Let's check that out. On your 22 to 24 GMC Terrains, as long as it has the 360-degree camera views, you'll swipe your screen and click cameras, or if you're already on the screen, you just click there. Now you have a bunch of different options, 360 degrees of camera view angles. So you'll have your top-down bird's eye view, which uses all your camera angles in sync. Simulated vehicle right here. Here is your front camera for the front of the vehicle, and as I turn the wheel, you can see the lines do move, so you know where you're heading. Same for the rear. You press the button, and it'll turn it for the rear. Now, if I put it in reverse, your lines will pop up, and you'll see it as I turn. Moving forward, further on your camera options, you do have a zoomed in view of your top down on your cameras and including the rear, so you can see things at a maximized viewing capacity. Now another great one, a lot less curb rash this way. These are your side cameras for your wheels. Now that is your rear, and then I'm going to press the button and here's your front. As I turn the wheel, you will see the wheels turn and it looks like it's just one wheel. Looks super cool. Now you have a hitch view. This Terrain does not have a hitch on it at the moment, but it is an extra added feature. Then you have in your reverse, you'll have your trailering, again with that line as you're going up to your trailer hitch. And you can turn it off if you don't like it. Last and final one is your bird's eye view. You can turn that on or off if you need your screen just a little bit bigger to be able to see everything. Hey guys, again, it's Caleb back with another how-to video. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Of course, I hope this information was helpful and useful for you as well. I have plenty of other GMC and Buicks we can go over, many pre-owns. So if you have a vehicle in mind, I'll see if I can find it and we'll go over a how-to. Hope y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all soon.